What's up, good people of the internet? Welcome back to the brand new video. Hope you're doing great, and today we're gonna be watching some of the best drivers in the world, showing us their impressive driving skills. Not really, but thank you very much for the support. I love you all, and now with that being said, sit back, relax, and let's dive into this. Alrighty, if Snoop Dogg was a car. It actually sounds like a lawnmower a little bit, but I think that's the least of their problems. But it will pass the emissions test, and it's a pole position, a delayed one, but pole position nonetheless. Whoa, take it easy, bro. This is a power gone wrong. He just couldn't handle all of those 55 angry horsepower, that's it. Let's see here. Oh, I hear a supercharger and a whack. And to be honest, the V8 in that Trackhawk is a beast. But on the other hand, unfortunately, the driver of that Trackhawk is a dingleberry. But anyways, let's see, what the hell is that? GTA lobbies be like. He was probably having some connection problems. The bro was lagging. And now it's time to deploy some good old speed and power. Whoa! That was a clean drift, I'll give him that. That was illegal, but awesome at the same time. Oh, that's why I really don't like being on a hard shoulder for too long. Hey BMW, I'm gonna crash into you, or am I? 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 Stop it, dude, you're really annoying. Go get some help. Now seriously, back off. Back off. That little car is acting like an annoying sibling. Exactly like that. Oh, this is a mean M5. Come on again. Power. And oh, his steering wheel subscription expired. And how the hell did we get from M5s to tanks? He's like, okay boys, make my tank shining pretty, because I have a job interview tomorrow. Oh no! Whew. That was close. He almost got a pole position, and he was way too optimistic about that corner. Bro thought he was in a race car. Let's see here. Oh, hello there. Right, that's not gone well. I don't know how the hell that happened, but we have to move on. Let's see what is going. Oh, 2 drops of pee came out right there, and that is an understatement, 100%. And I also think because of his quick reaction, he saved some lives that day, for sure. And look at his dingleberry. He just wanted to take a closer look. He just wanted to help. Oh, hello there, Golf 2 Coca-Cola edition. Look at that beautiful machine. Everything is in mint condition. Perfect for... I mean, almost perfect for every weather condition out there. And behold, everybody, the VTEC in that Honda just kicked in, and the dude locked up his brakes so badly that he melted his tires. And that dude was impressed, by the way. You could see it on his face. Damn. Was that a Kia Soul? Those little Kias are always a road hazard for some reason. No, no, no. Oof. Actually, that went much better than I thought. Let's see here. Oh, dang blasted, you crashed into my big American V8 motor, and you didn't even make a dent on it. And what do we have here? This is a big cluster F. I don't know what is going on. Wait a minute, is he pushing him? It looks like it. What the hell is going on here? Maybe there is an ice cream truck somewhere near. That would definitely give us an explanation for this. And actually, you know what? In my opinion, that would be the one and only acceptable excuse for all of this. The ice cream truck and nothing more. Now, seriously, what the hell are they trying to do? That is very strange. But anyway, we are gonna move on. Oh, that's a red, that's a red. No, no, no. Oh. And that is a pole position. Once again. He literally nailed it. Let's see, what do we have here? Oh, that's one very beautiful car, if you ask me. Nice, very nice. Station wagons are so underrated. Let me know, guys, what do you think about them. I think they're cool. But I digress. Let's get back to the video. Whoa, careful Audi. That Q7 decided it's a perfect time to throw it in reverse and go back. It was basically a rewind time. Oh no. Oh man, the audacity.
It's a stop sign, you...
He was brave to honk back. I will never understand that kind of people. They are at fault and they honk back. It's amazing. Like this dude here. He's got some great ideas. but the execution was bad. That flamingo won't help, because engines, just like humans, don't like to breathe water. Simple as that. And the BMW has entered the chat. Excellent driving. Brilliant stuff. Brilliant stuff right there. And the Lamborghini Urus this time is hauling ass, and he crashed. I'm not sure, but I think that's a rental. That dude is incompetent and he just got excited. A little bit too much. I could be wrong, I don't know, but that's how it looks like to me. Let's hope here we're not gonna watch a Final Destination scene. Oh, here we go, no! Oof. That actually it's not that bad. I mean, it's not good, but it's not too bad either. Whoa, 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 whoa. Can you stop hitting the pickup truck, please? He hit him like 1,000 times in 2 seconds. And his name is John Cena. And unlike John Cena, you can actually see the stop sign, but not this guy, apparently. But anyways, whoa, that was a scary Merc attack. And that car right there is running on liquid arrogance. Or pure stupidity, however you like it. Let's see here. Whoa, that truck just plowed right through them. Oh, hello there, that dude just spawned in. Or maybe that's how the mini trucks are born, who knows. Oh, whack! That's a Dodge challenge now, but it's not his fault. That pickup ran the stop sign. On to the next one we go. Somebody's gonna probably miss the exit. Or maybe not, we'll see. Whoa. Ooh, that is a BMW S1000. One of the best bikes in my opinion. And our dashcam guy kinda cut him off a little bit. Or maybe the biker was going way too fast when the car moved to the left. But anyhow, he's a little bit pissed now. Whoa, whoa, don't hurt yourself, bro. He almost hit those little pole positions. Hey, yo, bro, no. Like I said many times before, you have to know when to pull out. Let's see here. Oh no! Oof. Oof. Whew. That was way too close. Way too close. And this guy here is about to start playing Mario Kart. Any moment now. And on that note, guys, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed in today's Idiots in Cars episode. And if you did, please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already, of course, and leave a comment as well. So yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to power every day. Always choose the right moment to pull out. And I will see you in the next one. Take care. Love you all. Ciao, ciao.